We are continuing our examples of calculating surface area with prisms, and we're going to work on right triangular prisms next. So it's asking us to draw the net of this right triangular prism. So a net is an original shape on a flat piece of paper that you can have that when folded and cut out will create a three-dimensional version of the shape that we're given. And you can draw this net something like that. We've got triangles for the end pieces, a rectangular bottom, and then the two pieces that fold up to make the sides of your triangle. There are some slight variations on this, but this is probably the most straightforward version. So there's the net of the triangular prism. What is the surface area? So when you see it as a net, you could actually measure the different pieces and calculate the surface area that way. But we don't have to do it as a net. We can do it face by face. So we're going to start. Because this particular prism is an equilateral triangle, it means all three sides have the same length on the triangle. It means that all three of our rectangles are actually going to be the same size. They will have the same dimensions, so that streamlines this process a little bit. So we can see that the length is 9 meters, and then our width of each rectangle is 3 meters. So area of a rectangle, 3 by 9, it's length times width. So 9 meters times 3 meters, so the area of the rectangle is 27 meters squared. The triangles, both triangles are the same, and the area of a triangle is equal to base times height divided by 2. So in this case, we have a base of 3 meters, and again, make sure you're using the units in these, times the height of 2.6 meters. And then you're going to divide by 2. 3 times 2.6 divided by 2 is equal to 3.9 meters squared. So that's the area of one triangle. So the total area, I'm using a T as a subscript, or you could say it's equal to surface area, either notation is frequently used, is equal to, we said there was 3 rectangles in our net, so we're going to have 3 of these rectangles at 27 meters squared each. So that's 1, 2, 3 of the rectangles, and then 2 of the triangles, 3.9 meters each. So those are the 5 numbers that we need to add together to get the total surface area for this shape. And when you add them all together, you end up with 88.8 meters squared. So that's your surface area for this right triangular prism. Next up is a show you know. Please go ahead and do that.